This is a message for Wednesday, July 9th, 2014. Greetings, dear ones. We welcome the effects generated by our blessed ambassadors of star light, the effects of the practice of the enlivenment of the golden matrix of star light. It is very beautiful. It is the expansion of our level of experience. It is the expansion of our platform of experience of action. Yes, this practice will provide the radiance of the blessed structure of the mighty great star of Genesis in our experience. Daily, we will practice with the tools of Genesis, first enlivening this blessed golden matrix of starlight. That is fullness. Yes, dear ones, this is fullness. Fullness expands. The level of fullness expands each day as we increase the precious network of the light of Genesis. Our experience of the radiant nature of the beams of starlight expand as we lift the remaining pockets of residue from the lands. This is our course of action for the achievement of the new eon for Earth, bringing about a complete restructuring of the principles upholding all expressions of life within the cycle of creation. Today, we will create enlivenment of our precious 5 pathways onto maps. In the coming days, we will deliver the required biotrinities and supercells to each of the 5 locations identified for each pathway. 5 locations, 5 pathways of expression, each beginning with the source, the precious seat of eternal light. Today, let us offer to our blessed ambassadors of starlight the maps marking these 5 pathways, and within each pathway the 5 locations for the placement of our tools of Biotrinity Genesis Fusion, generating pathways of initial rotations. We ask each ambassador to take 1 pathway each day over the course of the coming 5 days. 1 path daily. We will place a set of biotrinities as well as the super cells on each designated point. If the tools are not available to each ambassador, place the 5 biotrinities onto the proper locations and surround all 5 with a super star cell and a super water cell. 1 above the set of 5 and 1 below the set of 5. We will also anchor the pathway with an additional biotrinity at the source, the precious seat of eternal light. This anchoring biotrinity may either be the biotrinity which directs the pathway, or we may use a golden biotrinity at this location of the source. 1 by 1, each day, we will position the tools onto a pathway, enlivening the initial rotations for that pathway. In 5 days, we will have completed the full enlivenment of the pathways, and at that time, we will set the course to action. the action to place each tool in the proper location, enlivening the pathways, ridding the earth of the residues of interference, lifting the remaining disturbances from our blessed global network of the light of Genesis. It is a great pathway of action, illumined action brought about through the purity arising from the tour of the pearl of starlight. Yes, it is very beautiful, very good. Many blessings.